anxious, come breathe with me. On an inhale, raise your arms up and breathe through your nose, and exhale through the pursed lips. And when you come down as slow as possible. Once more, inhale through the nose and exhale through pursed lips. Coming down slowly, extending your exhalation. Good, one more time. Inhale through the nose and exhale slowly, as slow as possible through pursed lips. And as you extend your exhale, you will find you can inhale a little bit longer and breathing more. How do you feel? Let me know.